This is the members of the Southeast Senate Caucus, and we are here to see the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice on a very, very important matter to the people of the Southeast. It's the matter concerning Nnamdi Kanu and the continued legal wranglings concerning his incarceration.
The detained leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, has reportedly indicated his willingness to accept the conditions set by the administration of President Bola Tinubu for his release. This information comes from Senator Enyinnaya Abaribe, representing Abia South Senatorial District, following a meeting with the Attorney General of the Federation. Senator Abaribe, along with approximately 15 other senators from the Southeast region, met with the Attorney General, Lateef Fagbemi, SAN. The meeting focused on the possibility of releasing Kanu from the custody of the Department of State Services, DSS. Senator Abaribe expressed hope that the Attorney General would consider the senator's perspective and advocate for Kanu's release. He argued that Kanu's detention has contributed to regional instability. Senator Abaribe reportedly met with Kanu directly at the DSS headquarters. During this meeting, Kanu supposedly indicated his agreement to the government's conditions for his release. This development follows appeals from both the Southeast governors and a group of House of Representatives members. These efforts urge President Tinubu to consider Kanu's release. Nnamdi Kanu's legal case has been complex. Initially arrested in 2015, he was granted bail in 2017 but later left the country during his trial. He was reapprehended in Kenya in 2021 and has been held by the DSS since then. The Court of Appeal ordered his release in October 2022, but the Supreme Court overturned that decision in December 2023, allowing his trial on remaining charges to proceed. Kanu's case remains a significant issue, with ongoing advocacy efforts from lawmakers and leaders in the Southeast.